Hey, how y'all doing? This is Pete. I'm up here in Moab, Utah, working on my shop. I just met a guy, Lonnie, Moab Lonnie over here. He claims he's watched a few of my videos, am I right?
Yeah.
Okay, and I met his dad, and they got some pretty awesome rides. We're gonna look at one of his rides here. And this one's got some history behind it, and Lonnie, his dad bought it back in the mid-70s, kept the car all this time. Lonnie was born in the early 80s. When he turned 12 years old, he told his dad, I want that car, and his dad said, go for it. And he's been working on this car since he was 12 years old. And did you paint this thing?
Yeah.
You did all the laser straight body work and everything?
Yeah, he and I did it.
Now come on, Lonnie. This car was already pretty much straight.
No, you can look on my
Dude,
Instagram page.
that's looking pretty straight, dude. It's making me a little jealous over here.
It was missing the front end, had rust in the back quarters.
Okay.
The whole trunk pan was set.
Hold on, dude. You're going ahead of the game, and they're looking at me, not the car, bud. Okay, let's go ahead and talk to Lonnie, shake your hand, and make a friend, and then he's going to tell us about this awesome 1967 Chevelle Super Sport.
Yep.
Or is it a Nova?
Nova.
A Nova Super Sport.
Welcome to D.I.Y. Automotive School with my friend Pete and Minnie, the body shop girl. It's everything you need to know about cars and more.
All right, shake your hand, make a friend, bro. What's up, Lonnie?
How's it going?
All right, so you were born and raised here, or what?
Yep, born and raised in
Okay,
Moab.
so what's the skinny on the local action here? I heard they don't like out-of-towners. Tell me the truth, dude. I'm from out of town.
We're getting a lot of out-of-towners here in Moab. Yep, they're moving in.
Am I pissing you off from being here?
No, we like your type.
Okay,
Any car guy,
redneck.
yeah.
So the rednecks you like. It's the Californians we don't
We're
like.
getting a lot of that.
Okay,
Some are good, some are bad,
right.
but we're getting a lot of
Okay.
people, a lot of second homes here.
Yeah, but you love it here. You'll never move. You're going to raise your kids here,
This is
and then
hometown.
you think they'll ever move when they grow up?
Yeah,
We don't know.
they won't be able to afford to live here, unfortunately.
I'm telling you, with the taxes, it's ridiculous.
Yep.
Anyway, we were talking about your, I keep saying Chevelle, your Nova, and look at this thing, dude. This is awesome. Now, before we go into all this action here, because you wanted to tell us about that, let's look at how straight this body is, because that's what really drug me over here. When did you start the body work on that? How old were you?
I was probably 14 years old when I started.
14 years old. Jesus. Look at this.
This paint's probably 15 years old.
This is a 15-year-old paint job.
And
Man.
borrowed.
I'm just looking at all the laser cut straight action body. I mean, look at how many hours you got in block sanding on this thing to get it looking like this?
I've probably blocked it 40 times.
40 times, wow.
Actual primed, blocked.
Now, did you strip this down to bare metal, I presume?
Yeah.
I'm just testing your work here. See, I see where you seam sealed it. That's good, dude.
Yeah,
A lot of people don't do that, Lonnie. Now, I believe from the factory, these were actually aluminum.
No, they're all stainless.
Okay, so that is stainless on the Nova?
This is the only chrome piece. These are all stainless here.
Because on the GTO, the Pontiacs, those are aluminum. Did you know that?
I did not know that.
Yeah, they're polished aluminum. They didn't have stainless. I was going to ask you if you had that chrome plated to make it up. But now you just opened my mind. This is actually polished stainless.
So I polished all those. Those are all.
You did all of yourself?
Those are the original trim pieces.
Wow.
Yep. And used my buddy Jimmy Foy's paint booth. He actually painted the.
Now he's a guy in town.
Yeah, he's in
And
town.
he's got a paint and body shop. What's the name of his shop, bud?
Jimmy Foy Collision.
Jimmy Foy Collision. He's been here for years, right?
Yep.
One of the top body shops in town.
Yep. So he and I actually painted the car in the booth at the same time. I sprayed the driver's side, he sprayed the passenger side.
Oh, okay. He did a double whammy job.
Yep.
Now, did you use HVLP guns on this, I presume?
Yep.
Huh. And I'm sure you use top quality paint supplies, am I right?
Yeah, PPG.
Wow. Now, on your paint job, A lot of people do this, especially if it's their personal car. Did you guys put 2 coats of clear on it, then color sand it down, and then put 2 more on it?
No, so we actually did. We got our base down, and then I think we ended up doing 5 coats of clear.
5?
And then I came in and did all the color sanding on it.
How many days did it take you to color sand that thing out?
Oh, I broke it up probably altogether a good 7 days.
Yeah, there's a product, it's called DBC 500. It's called an intercoat clear sealer. And what you can do to get this high gloss and save yourself time and expense on materials is you put 2 coats of that on there, you let it dry overnight, and then you come back and wet sand that, and then you put 2 to 3 coats of clear on it. Yeah, just letting you know. But you did a beautiful job. What's going on here? It looks like you replaced this rubber.
So
You forgot to put the chrome in it, bud. That's supposed to go in first, ain't it?
that was that was one of my mess ups. Is I put the window
You didn't
liquid
know
up.
that.
Nope. That was a learning experience.
Yeah.
So that window will come out. I'm actually going to repaint the car.
You are?
Yeah, as soon as I get it back together.
Why are you gonna repaint it, dude? I don't understand. This thing's like flawless.
It's got some flaws that are.
You were telling me something, and I'm looking and trying to find the flaws you were telling me about.
And I have never been happy with how the jams were.
Jeez.
So
And you don't like this paint job?
it's got some issues. They can be better.
Yeah, but you don't even see this, Lonnie.
No, but I do.
No, you're a perfectionist, huh?
Yeah.
Got it. All right, so now we get to the front of the car, and we got this drag race situation going on. What's going on with this, bud?
So this is TCI Engineering's Pro Touring.
Now that's total cost involved. TCI.
Nope. This is.
That's not TCI, total cost involved?
Yes, yeah.
Okay,
Yep.
okay.
And
And this is a bolt-on package you can buy?
yep, this is their bolt-on Pro Touring.
And this replaces the factory subframe?
Yeah, which is not good.
All right. It's not?
No, it's terrible.
Because I see this has got the upper and lower tubular Mustang front suspension.
Yeah, Wilwood brakes.
You got the Willwoods on there.
Yeah, right.
4-piston.
Ride Tech coilovers.
Huh. Now, do you think your car's going to ride a lot better with those adjustable shocks and all that?
Yeah, and by the time
Coilovers?
it's done, I'll probably go with their torque arm rear suspension as well.
And then you got the rack and pinion Mustang 2 power steering.
Yeah.
And then this is an awesome setup, dude. I mean, just opening the hood on this would look pretty badass.
Top notch. I mean, I'm very impressed with their stuff.
That's really nice. Now, are you going to have a tilt front end on this, or what's going on?
No, it'll all be the factory front end.
Okay,
I'm
so
going
it's
to try
all
to
that.
keep the outside, the exterior, as close to kind of factory looking as possible.
Yeah. Can I go ahead and look inside? I want to see that white interior.
Yeah, you can see the giant hole from the 8L90 that I'm putting in there.
I just want to show people how awesome these cars are. Oh my God, dude, look at this. What are you putting in here?
So that's a 8L90. That's the 8-speed automatic.
Jesus. Is that out of a truck?
That's actually out of
A Camaro or?
Yeah, I think that one, I can't remember. I bought it off eBay. They
Wow.
come in Camaros that come.
So you split yours on both sides
Yep.
to raise it, and you had to raise this thing up that high, and you still got to go up another, what, half an inch or something to
Yeah,
clear?
half inch, and then I got to take the rest of the tunnel up.
Wow. Oh, so you're going to cut it up here too?
Well, no, the actual driveline tunnel needs to be.
Oh, wow, that's right. Look at that, all the way down, huh?
Yep.
Oh my God, dude, did you know you were getting into this when you...
Yeah. Yep.
You already knew it, huh?
Yep. I knew it was gonna have to happen.
You know, geez, I always thought these cars were beautiful with white interior, you know what I'm saying? So we're in your little home garage here, and I gotta say, I'm really shocked and surprised. Outside of your house, you would never know this is a homebody garage. You really built it right. What's going on back here, dude? You got anything special back here? What's this?
That's the water pump to the LT engine that I'm putting in there.
An LT engine, what?
So the LT is the new 6.2 liter Chevy engine.
And then you're gonna hook it up to that 8-speed tranny. Now, is that gonna be fuel injected?
Yeah, it'll be the new direct injected 6.2.
So this is a 6.2 liter, what did you call it?
LT.
Okay, it's an LT 6.2. Now, is that the new style motor, like
Yeah.
Y2K 2018 or what?
Yeah, so this is.
Wow. Go ahead, I'll listen.
This one actually came out of a 2017 Cadillac Escalade.
Oh,
and I'm
wow.
gonna go through it. Same engines in the.
Now, you do all that yourself?
Yeah.
You do all the motor work and everything all by yourself?
Yeah.
Huh.
Right here.
Jeez, dude. What's going on with this, Lonnie? I'm curious. I'm not a motor guy.
So that's all the. This is actually the weird little displacement on demand lifters that they have. That's all coming out. They're junk.
You're taking all that out.
Yeah, this is the one difference between or not the one, but the big difference between the LS engines and the LT. That's a high pressure fuel pump right there.
That's the fuel pump on top of the motor.
Yep.
Jeez, so I guess it runs, what does it run off, the camshaft in there or something? Or?
Yep, there's a lobe on the cam, there's a separate pump on the tank that pumps the fuel up to here, and then from here it boosts it up to a crazy.
So there's not even an in-tank fuel pump on this thing?
No, there's two.
Why would they have two, Buzz?
One to get it from the tank to the engine, and then as soon as it hits the engine, it goes.
So it has to have that much pressure on this motor to make it go?
Yep. I can't remember the specs. It's crazy. It's 1,200 PSI or something is once it hits those direct injectors.
Yeah, this thing's crazy, and you'd never know with all the stuff off it what kind of motor it was. Huh. And you're gonna literally take this whole motor apart and rebuild the whole thing, or?
Yeah, most likely.
Wow. All right, so you want to kind of promote your situation here because you're on Instagram, I guess, and showing everybody your build step by step.
Yep.
What's it called, bud?
So it's at Modern Chevy Performance.
At modernchevyperformance.com.
Yep, that's my site.
One word.com.
No .com, just get on Instagram.
That's your Instagram site.
Yep, just get on Instagram.
All right, and then what are you doing? Posting pictures and
Yep, that's where my
showing
builds.
people how to do all this?
Yep, that's all my
That's
builds.
cool. Maybe you ought to get into YouTube.
Maybe. Here we go. I'm on
You
it.
never know, bro.
Yeah.
You know,
Never.
I'm sure there's a lot of people out there curious to see this thing finished. Am I right?
Yeah, I hope so. I think it's starting to get some attention for sure.
I'm sure there's a lot of people interested in seeing this thing done because I'm going to tell you, I don't know about the motor and training. Now, why did you do all this here? Strip all that down. Are you going to?
So when I had it all paint matched, the factory stuff was all paint matched. Once I put this new front clip on, all the parting lines were different.
Oh, okay.
So I have to strip it all down and then I'll bodywork all of it.
Now, are you going to Bondo this in, I guess, fill it in?
Yeah.
Kind of flatten the firewall
I'll
out.
smooth it all.
Smooth, there you go, smooth it out.
Liable to like the heater blower motor holes probably can get smooth.
Now, you don't have air in this, I guess, huh?
I'm looking to put air in it, yeah.
You going to put that vintage air?
Vintage air or Resto Mod air probably are the two that I'm looking for.
Yeah, and I guess the mounts you got set up here directly for that engine you got.
Yep, that comes from TCI that way.
Okay, do you tell them what engine you're putting in it? Or?
Nope, so this actually works. I can run an adapter plate on this LT engine to use. Those are just...
Oh, okay.
Those are
yeah,
just,
there they are right here.
Yep.
And it relocates that to where the motor mount. Yeah,
Yep, and that's just a small block Chevy.
yeah, I used to do that at my shop. Huh.
So
let me ask you the real question. If you were going to buy this motor transmission setup that you got, how much money is someone looking at, dude?
if you buy one just off eBay, motor and transmission setup, you're looking $8,000.
$8,000?
Yeah.
God. And how many miles does this one have?
60,000.
So it'll have 0 when you get done with it.
Yeah, it'll be a fresh rebuild.
Jeez. I saw here you already got the oil pan off and everything. So if it has 60,000 on it, I mean, with today's technology, why are you rebuilding it? Why don't you just leave it like it is?
Well, they said it smoked.
So whoever had it drag raced it, basically.
No, it was just in daily driver Escalade.
That's 60,000 miles?
Yep.
So I guess this motor right here was the one that was in the car.
Yeah, that's a little 383.
383 stroker job.
Yeah.
And I bet you built that too, huh?
That one actually I didn't. That one we bought.
Oh, it was a crate engine?
Yep.
What do you think of those crate 383 strokers?
There's a lot of good ones out there. I think you got to be careful with what you're buying, but there's a lot of good options out
You
there.
didn't get this one from Oklahoma, did you?
No.
Okay, there's a place in Oklahoma that builds their motors are crap, dude.
No. That's a 700 R4.
Yeah, what are you gonna do with that setup? Selling it?
I don't know. I've got a lot of money into that. I've got probably $2,500 worth of parts inside of that.
In the tranny?
Yeah.
Yeah, what stall are you using? 2100?
That's a 3200 R4.
3200 stall?
Yeah. With
Jeez.
So it's got
It's all manual shift overdrive, no
No,
electronics.
No, it has yeah, it's all manual as far as it being a 700R.
Yeah, what do you got? The no yo-yo Corvette rings and
I've
all
got
the
just about
fancy stuff.
I've got every aftermarket part you can buy in it.
That transmission's so clean you can eat off it, Lonnie.
Yeah, that's...
Jeez. But you know the real situation, Lonnie, we're gonna get down to it. It's gonna take you a while to get this dog done.
Yes, it is.
Okay, how many kids you got, bro?
2.
Exactly.
Got a 3-year-old.
Exactly. That tells the whole story, Lonnie.
Yep. 3-year-old.
You're not gonna be going, 85 miles an hour anymore. It's gonna be 25 miles an hour.
Yeah.
That's exactly it right there, bro.
Yeah.
Because when you got kids, guess what? This gets put on hold.
Yep, that's where I'm at. Just come out and tinker. I've got more kids.
That's where you're at, dude. That's where you're at. And then the older they get, you want to come out here and work, and they say, oh, come on, Daddy, I want to go out there with you.
Yeah.
And you're going, oh my gosh, all right, come on, let's go, so we can climb all over the car.
Yep.
Yeah, I know all about it, dude. But one day you'll get it done, Lonnie. It's a badass ride, dude. Are you gonna put, you got disc brakes all around it?
Not yet. Once I do that
All right.
suspension, it's
What's your rear end going? What do you got? 373 positive track, slip differential or what?
411s in it right now.
411s, huh?
But I that engine's gonna put too much power down.
It's gonna be putting out a lot of RPM with 411, ain't it?
Yeah, and these Novas don't have a strong rear end in them.
Don't you think you ought to go 373 with that
I'll
other
probably
motor?
actually with that 8-speed, I'll probably go down to like a 350.
Really?
Maybe even a little higher than that.
Man, you gonna give my friend Pete a ride when you're done?
Yeah.
Shoot, that might be 15 years from now.
I was gonna say, yeah. We'll see
I
when
don't
it's
know if I'll
done.
be around, dude. Shake your hand, make a friend, bro. Appreciate it, Lonnie.
Well, thank you.
Okay, dude. We're gonna have to take a walk up to your dad's place one day and look at all those old classics he's got parked out in front.
Yeah.
I'm sure people want to see the Thelma and Louise car.
Yeah. Yeah.
Your dad owns that car, right?
Yep. Yep.
And he also owns the car, what is it, the dummy car, I guess they pulled in.
Camera car, yeah.
Camera car.
Yep.
I got pictures of that, dude. That's pretty cool. For me it is. I mean, I guess for you it's not.
I've grown up with it.
Yeah.
So.
All right, man. You can tell us a story about, what is that, a 32 you had that got bashed in and crashed?
Yeah, it's a 31 Chevy.
31 Chevy.
5-window coupe.
You can tell us the story on that when we go up there.
Yeah.
All
Yeah,
right,
there's a
bro.
good one behind it.
See you later, Lonnie.
Yep.
Take it easy.